Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. Today I will be doing a super straight silk press on natural hair. So stay tuned to see how I got this look. And if you're new to my channel, if you haven't already, subscribe, like, share, comment down below. And if you're not new, do the same. Okay guys, I went ahead and I shampooed and conditioned her hair off camera. And I shampooed her hair with the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Strengthening and Restoring Shampoo. And I conditioned her with the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Strengthen and Restore Conditioner. Now I'm blow drying her, and when I blow dry her, I mix some water with some Cantu leave-in conditioner, just a very little bit, and I blow dried her. I haven't put any sheen or anything on her hair. So what you see me doing right now is blow drying her hair. She has tons of hair, so it's taking me a long time to blow dry it. And for some reason, her hair it's like it holds moisture, so it takes me a long time to blow dry her hair. So what you're seeing right now is me blow drying her.
Spotlight like Mr. Bentley. I spotted her like Spud McKenzie, and for them fake boobies, I paid them Benjis. Get your own. I got Paris, he got Nikki, he tried to get him a clone. He said, yeah, you know you got extra hoes, and everything you do is extra cold. From the polo fleece to the Jesus piece. I got family in high places like Jesus, niece. Can I please say my piece? If y'all fresh to death, then I'm deceased. And this one here is a heat rock, spit like a beatbox, the way the beat rocks, new version of Pete Rock. But for that Benz, I get CL love, so I switch my girls around like 3L Dub. I'm calling. Maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. Oh my, yeah, maybe I'm selfish. You're my ladies, and I can't. Maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. Yeah, no one, yeah, but me. Yeah, baby. I'm calling. Yeah, maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. Oh my, yeah, maybe I'm selfish. You're my ladies, and I can't. Maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. Yeah, no one, yeah, but me. Yeah, baby. Come on. To my thick chicks down in Texas, all the way to New Orleans, where the girls cook catfish. And in LA, every chick's an actress. Hollywood status with the shaded glasses. To Detroit, yeah, the place that I rest, where the ladies got asses and la sex. And hot Atlanta, y'all, is one of the best, where they speak southern slang and smoke la cess. And New York women are way too fresh. Too much on your mind, let me ease that stress. I wish you all were mine, it's so selfish. Maybe I'm feeling myself too much, I guess. But to my ladies all across the globe, in small towns that I don't even know, to all local international codes, whether you see me in streets or catch me at shows, I'm calling. Maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. Oh my, yeah, maybe I'm selfish. You're my ladies, and I can't. Maybe I'm selfish.
I know you guys are probably thinking, dang, when is she gonna be finished blow drying this hair? Come on with the video. Oh man, and I even sped it up, and it seems to me, myself, that it's taking a long time. But anyway, the blow drying part is almost over when we're gonna get to the good part. I almost forgot. When you guys are blow drying, try to get the hair as straight as possible with the blow dryer, because the straighter you get it with the blow dryer, it makes your silk press even silkier. So yeah, don't be afraid to get that hair super straight with the blow dryer. It actually makes your work easier when you're pressing it and flat ironing it. So get that hair straight with that blow dryer, you guys.
But for that Benz, I get CL love, so I switch my girls around like 3L Dub. I'm calling. Maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't
What I like to do when I'm silk pressing, I like to press the hair, and right after I press a little section, I flat iron it, and that saves a lot of time from going all the way back over the head to flat iron it after you've pressed it. And as you can see, when I'm pressing it, I take the straightening comb, or the pressing comb, straightening comb, whatever you want to call it, and I use the back of the straightening comb to get the root really straight. That's very important, to get the root of the hair really straight. See, I turn the pressing comb over, and I let the bottom of the pressing comb straighten the root. And I'm doing the chase method with my flat iron. And I have my flat iron on 450 degrees, and that's not a lot of heat because she has a lot of hair, and it's the texture calls for 450 degrees. Now, if your client's hair is a little bit thinner or thinner, period, you can put the flat iron on a lower heat. But I find with thick hair like this, it gets much silkier with the flat iron at 450. Look at that shine, you guys. Woo-wee. And my phone rang, and it stopped the video, and I thought that I pressed play or record, and I didn't. So that's where you see me picking up right here again. But it's pretty much the same steps I was doing down below. Look at that shine. And you don't have to use a whole lot of product on the hair to give it shine. Like I said, I just shampooed and conditioned her. And I put a little bit of leave-in conditioner mixed with water. I hadn't put anything on her hair to make it shine. The heat from the pressing comb and the flat iron brings out the natural oils in her hair. So that's what's giving her that shine.
Chicks down in Texas, all the way to New Orleans, where the girls cook catfish. And in LA, every chick's an actress. Hollywood status with the shaded glasses. To Detroit, yeah, the place that I rest, where the ladies got asses and la sex. And hot Atlanta, y'all, is one of the best, where they speak southern slang and smoke la cess. And New York women are way too fresh. Too much on your mind, let me ease that stress. I wish you all were mine, it's so selfish. Maybe I'm feeling myself too much, I guess. But to my ladies all across the globe, in small towns that I don't even know, to all local international codes. Whether you see me in streets or catch me at shows, I'm calling. Maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. Oh my, yeah, maybe I'm selfish. You're my ladies and I can't. Maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. Yeah, no one, yeah, but me, yeah, baby. And don't be trying to come around my girl acting like Mr. Friendly. It's still the spotlight like Mr. Bentley. I spotted her like Spud McKenzie. And for them fake boobies, I paid them Benjis. Get your own. I got Paris, he got Nikki, he tried to get him a clone. He said, yeah, you know you got extra hoes, and everything you do is extra cold. From the polo fleece to the Jesus piece. I got family in high places like Jesus, niece. Can I please say my piece? If y'all fresh to death, then I'm deceased. And this one here is a heat rock, spit like a beatbox, the way the beat rocks, new version of Pete Rock. But for that Benz, I get CL love, so I switch my girls around like 3L Dub. I'm calling. Maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. Oh my, yeah, maybe I'm selfish. You're my.
And make sure you get those edges. Some people don't like getting their edges pressed, but make sure you press those edges. because that could either make or break us. No, if you don't press it, it will not make the style. It will definitely break the style.
I'm calling. Yeah, maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. All mine. Yeah, maybe I'm selfish. You're my ladies, and I can't. Maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. Be with yeah, no one, yeah, but me, yeah, baby. Come on. To my thick chicks down in Texas, all the way to New Orleans, where the girls cook catfish, and in LA, every chick's an actress. Hollywood status with the shaded glasses. To Detroit, yeah, the place that I rest, where the ladies got asses and love live sex. And hot Atlanta, y'all, is one of the best, where they speak southern slang and smoke la cess. And New York women are way too fresh. Too much on your mind, let me ease that stress. I wish you all were mine, it's so selfish. Maybe I'm feeling myself too much, I guess. But to my ladies all across the globe, in small towns that I don't even know, no, to all local international codes. Whether you see me in streets or catch me at shows, I'm calling. Maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. Oh my, yeah, maybe I'm selfish. You're my ladies, and I can't. Maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. Be with yeah, no one, yeah, but me, yeah, baby. And I'll be trying to come around my girl acting like Mr. Friendly. It's still the spot.
She didn't want to wear bone straight, so I gave her a barely bump on the ends, which is what she always gets because she loves it when she wraps it. It gives her that sleek look where it's not really a bump, but it is a bump. If that makes any sense.
Everything you do is extra cold, from the polo fleece to the Jesus piece. I got family in high places like Jesus, niece. Can I please say my piece? If y'all fresh to death, then I'm deceased. And this one here is a heat rock, spit like a beatbox. The way the beat rocks, new version of Pete Rock. But for that Benz, I get CL love, so I switch my girls around like 3L Dub. I'm calling. Yeah, maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. Oh my, yeah, maybe I'm selfish.
Right there, I took my Proclaim Edge Control Stick and I laid her edges down. It's the best stick that I've used so far, and I'm kind of hooked on it. And then after that, I put a little bit of the olive glossing polish from Proclaim. I just seem to like the whole Proclaim line because it's so light on the hair. Okay, guys, this is the final look. Look how silky that is. And look at those edges. And once again, if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. I can be followed on Facebook on Hair by Lola and on Instagram at Lola_Chantel65. Thanks for watching. Stay blessed.